Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice paneer. Start by cooking rice a day ahead or chill freshly cooked rice to prevent clumping, then cube paneer and chop vegetables evenly. Use a hot wok or skillet with oil, stir-fry aromatics, add vegetables, then paneer, and push aside to fry the rice with soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of sugar. Finish with scallions and serve immediately. Layer flavors by toasting spices and searing paneer cubes until golden for texture and depth. Keep heat high so vegetables stay crisp and rice fries instead of steaming. Add soy sauce, a splash of vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and sesame oil near the end to balance salt and acidity, tossing quickly so flavors coat evenly and the dish stays vibrant and aromatic. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresh ride after cooking, grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a simple car air freshener that actually smells great after paneer and garlic. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy that fresh scent in between kitchen runs. Now let's get back to the video. Customize with vegetables like bell peppers, peas, carrots, or bok choy to add color and nutrition. Try marinating paneer briefly in soy and spices for deeper flavor and firm texture. Make it vegetarian by using vegetable stock or vegan by substituting tofu, and serve with lime wedges or chili flakes for heat, so each bite is balanced and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.